This is the true story of Mr. Ken Bauver, who came from Germany to tour South Africa. Now, as he was in Guyana, moving along the township with his friends Jabulani, they passed the church where they were singing Khensani Jehovah, which means praise God. Then he asked Jabulani, what are they saying? And Jabulani said, Khensani. Then as they were moving along, they passed the hospital, and again Mr. Bauver asked Jabulani, what's the name of this hospital? He said, Khensani. Then as they were moving along the street, they met a young girl who was riding a bicycle in a fast speed, holding a shopping basket. Then he said, what is the name of that girl? Then he said, Khensani. Then later, as they were moving along, Mr. Bauver took out his phone and called his wife in German and said, hey, you know, in South Africa, of all the languages, this language that I'm speaking now, I'm learning, is the simplest because everything is Khensani.